How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep your screen on for longer. This is for an iPhone. So this way you can choose how long your screen is actually on. Okay, we're going to head on over to our settings. My icon is right here, but if you cannot find yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in the word settings. Okay, as you see, the app appears right here. Just click on that. And now we're going to scroll down right here where it says display and brightness. Click on that. Okay, so we have several options. We're going to scroll down. And right here where it says auto lock, that's where we're going to go on. Click on that. Okay, so we see several options. Right now, mine is set to 2 minutes. What does that mean? It means that if I leave my screen like this, if I stop touching the iPhone or the buttons and no activity is running like a video or something, in 2 minutes, it's going to turn off. Now, we can adjust this and select 1 minute, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, whichever option we want. And there's also one last option that says never. If we click on never, the iPhone screen will remain on. Now, just remember that the option that we select here is important regarding battery life. If you choose the longer minutes, like 5 or 4, and of course never, you run into the possibility of draining your battery too fast. So usually people select either 1 or 2 minutes. So just keep that in mind, guys. Okay, I'm going to head on back. And head on back. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on another video later on. Cheers.